Welcome to WeeStars. Today's adventure is about a curious little bunny who loves to explore and make new friends. So grab a cozy seat, and let's dive into today's story. Once upon a time, in a forest that was tall and wide, lived a little bunny named Nibbles, who loved to hide. Hop, 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 she went, with her fluffy white tail. Through the trees and flowers, she followed a trail. Suddenly, whoosh! A strong wind blew through, and the leaves whispered, "Nibbles, where are you?" Nibbles' ears perked up, boing, and she stopped. She sniffed the air, and then off she hopped. "Who wants to play?" she called out with cheer. Then she heard a little voice, "Over here, my dear." Out popped a squirrel with a nut in his hand. Chitter chatter, "Come play in the sand." So they skipped and danced, with a hop and a spin. As the sun started shining and the day began to begin. Flap, 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 a big bird flew near. Tweet, tweet, tweet. "Oh, what have we here?" "I'm Nibbles the bunny, I bounce and I play." She wiggled her nose and hopped away. Then suddenly, ribbit, came a sound by the pond. A little green frog was waving a wand. Splash, 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 they jumped in the water. Laughing and splashing, they played with no bother. But soon it grew late, and Nibbles gave a yawn. "Goodbye, friends," she waved at dawn. So Nibbles bounced back to her warm little den, dreaming of tomorrow, to play once again. The forest whispered, "Good night, little one," and the stars twinkled softly as the day was done. And that was the tale of Nibbles the Curious Bunny. Through her playful journey, we learned that exploring the world around us can lead to new friends, joyful moments, and wonderful adventures. Just like Nibbles, we can find happiness in nature, kindness, and friendship. Remember, little ones, curiosity and kindness make every day special. Thank you for joining WeeStars and our friend Nibbles on this wonderful adventure. If you enjoyed today's story, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe so you don't miss more magical tales with WeeStars.